cut. Why is TVO Kids doing here? Oh, I'm just L3 Paysmith because L is going to Baldi's basics right now. Okay, I got the 7 notebooks. And now, here's the exits. We need to go. What? Did the exits just close? Oh my gosh, that was so loud. Let's go to take 10.